Hello students, welcome to online class. In today's class, we'll learn the topic subject-verb agreement. Dear students, before discussing the agreement rules, we should know what subject-verb agreement is. Subject-verb agreement. What is subject and verb in the sentence? How to identify subject and verb in the sentence? We should know what exactly is subject-verb agreement, and we'll have to learn the basic rules surrounding it. Firstly, we will discuss what is subject and verb in a sentence and how to identify them. To identify the subject, first we'll have to ask the question, who is performing the action? The answer to this question will be the subject in the sentence. Person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something is the subject in the sentence. Verb, what subject is performing? The answer to this question will be the verb. Action performed by the subject or state of being. These are the verbs in the sentence. For example, we can say Rahul plays cricket regularly. Dear students, you have to ask the question, who is performing the action? Who is playing? Rahul. So Rahul is the subject here. And how do we identify verb? What subject is performing? What is Rahul doing? Playing. So plays is the verb here. So in this way we can identify the subject and verb. Dear students, based on the point of view, the subject may be in three persons: first person, second person and third person. The subject in first person is I and we. Subject in second person is you, and the subject in third person is he, she, it and they. So we have to memorize and remember these persons. Then based on count, the subject may be singular or plural. Let us revise. Subject based on point of view in three persons: first person, second person, third person. And based on count, the subject may be singular or plural. These are the basic things about subjects which will tell us the form of verb to be used. Now let us understand what is subject-verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. Dear students, remember this point. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. So this is the most general rule, especially when the subject is in third person. Singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. Remember again, this is the most general rule, and this rule is only true when the subject is in the third person. When subject is in third person, then when the subject is singular, it takes singular verb. Example, that girl eats banana. Dear student, here you can see girl is in singular and it is taking the verb eats, that is again in singular form. Singular subject girl is taking the singular verb eats. Example 2, this jeep goes fast. Here jeep is the subject and goes is the verb. You can see jeep is singular subject and goes is the singular verb. And when the subject is plural, we have to see the same examples. Those girls eat banana. Here those girls, subject is plural and it is taking the plural verb eat. The same in the example 2, these jeeps go fast. Dear students, jeeps is the subject here, it is plural subject and it is taking a plural verb go, as you can see in the example. So again, we remember subject is singular, it takes a singular verb. When the subject is plural, it takes a plural verb. and this rule is only applied when the subject is in third person. As we have learned that when the subject is in third person, singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. But when the subject is not in third person, this rule is not applicable. For example, we can see, I read book regularly. Here the subject is I, that is singular subject, but it is taking the verb read. Read is a plural verb. So we can see that rule is not being applicable here. The next example we can take, we read book regularly. Here students, we can see that we is a plural subject and it is taking the read verb, that is again plural. So when the subject is not in third person, there is no rule of singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. This is another point that we have to remember. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you have found this useful, and wait till I post the next video about the other rules of the subject verb agreement. Thank you once again for watching.